Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn about lesson climate of India in our social studies. Listen, in this chapter we are going to learn about the meaning of climate. Before going to know about the meaning of the climate, we should know about the weather. Generally, most of the people uses these two words, weather and climate, in the same manner. But there is a difference is there between the weather and the climate. Let us know about the weather. Weather refers to the condition of atmosphere for a smaller area for a short period of time. Generally, weather keeps on changing for a short period of time. Generally, this type of weather reports are published by the Indian Meteorological Department. Shortly, we call it as IMD. These weather reports you watch it in the television channels, as well as these weather reports are published in the newspapers. Generally, when the IMD prepares these weather reports, it explains about the maximum temperature of the day and the minimum temperature of the day, as well as the rainfall patterns. Let us know about the weather. Weather refers to the condition of atmosphere for a smaller area for a short period of time. Example, today weather is cool. Last week weather is hot. When we are expressing about the short period of time, we should use the word weather. We should not use the word climate. Let us see when we use the word climate. Here climate also the condition of atmosphere only, but it belonging to the larger area for a long period of time. Example, when we are discussing about in the past. Example, at the time of independence, the climate is cool. The 50 years back, the climate is cool. 100 years ago, the climate is cool. When we are discussing about the condition of atmosphere for a long period of time, we should use the word climate. When we are discussing about a condition of atmosphere for a small period of time, we should use the word weather. So that is the difference between weather and climate. This weather and climate have some elements. Those elements are temperature, wind, humidity, precipitation, as well as air pressure. These are the main elements of the weather, as well as these are also the elements of the climate. It means the elements of weather and climate are same. That is temperature, wind, humidity, precipitation and air pressure. These elements can be shown by using some pictures and a map. Those pictures are called climographs. They are also known as climatographs. Listen. The elements of weather and climate can be shown by the Indian Meteorological Department as the pictures. Those pictures are called climographs, also known as the climatographs. These climographs, let us see what is the use of this climograph. This climograph shows about the average monthly values of maximum temperature and minimum temperature, as well as the rainfall. That is the use of these climographs. These climographs are prepared by the Indian Meteorological Department. It is an organization that is functioning in our country to predict the weather events, as well as to predict the future weather events. Generally, the officials of Indian Meteorological Department feels very difficult to predict the future events of our weather for the past few years. Why? Because from the past few years onwards, the weather systems are behaving in a very peculiar manner. Peculiar manner means what we are expecting, but it is occurring differently. It is occurring differently than what we have expected. Example, how weather systems are behaving in a peculiar manner. Take some example, what has happened in the past few years. Take the example. Extreme summers are happening in our country. Extreme summers means we are feeling very hotness in the summer season. That is one of the thing that was happened, how weather systems are behaving in a peculiar manner. As well as hailstorm has taken place in Telangana state. In Telangana state, Rangareddy district is there. On that Rangareddy district, Chevella region is there. In this Chevella region of Rangareddy district in Telangana, this region receives the hailstorm. As you know that due to the heat coming from the sun, the water gets heated and the water is evaporated into the atmosphere. But due to the coolness in the higher elevation in the atmosphere, sometimes the water directly changes into the ice cubes. Those ice cubes fall on the ground in the form of precipitation. That is called as the hailstorm. That hailstorm has taken place in the Chevella region. Another example is cloud burst. Cloud burst has taken place in Uttarakhand state in our India. As well as another important thing is heavy showers of rainfall. Example, heavy showers of rain has taken place in Ongole in Andhra Pradesh. This Ongole receives 341 millimeters of rainfall in one day only. This 341 millimeters of rainfall that has taken place in Ongole is equal to 1/3 of our state's annual rainfall. Let us see here. This 341 millimeters of rainfall that has taken place in Ongole in Andhra Pradesh is equal to the 1/3 of our state's annual rainfall. Because of these heavy showers of rainfall, it causes a lot of damage to our agricultural crops. Especially cotton crop was damaged very severely. That is the bad thing that was happened because of these heavy showers of rain. But the good thing also there due to these heavy showers of rainfall. The good thing is 75% of the tanks in our states got filled up due to this heavy showers of rains. So let us see, in this topic we discussed that the Indian Meteorological Department says that the weather systems are behaving in a peculiar way by explaining about some incidents. They are heavy showers of rain in Ongole and the cloud burst in Uttarakhand and hailstorm in Chevella region, as well as the extreme summers in our country. These are all the things or the examples how our weather systems are behaving in a peculiar way.